Are you looking for a simple yet effective way to transform your body? Look no further than the humble pull-up. Pull-ups are one of the most challenging and rewarding exercises that can significantly impact your physique. In this video, we will explore the numerous benefits of incorporating daily pull-ups into your fitness routine and how this simple exercise can lead to a complete body transformation. So let's get started. Number 1. Increased repetitions and progression. Performing 10 pull-ups daily provides a measurable benchmark for progress. As you consistently practice, you'll notice yourself gradually increasing the number of repetitions you can do. This progression signifies improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness level. Number 2. Defined back muscles and V-shaped physique. By engaging the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and other back muscles, daily pull-ups contribute to a well-defined and muscular back. This not only improves your overall aesthetics, but also creates the coveted V-shaped appearance with broad shoulders and a tapered waist. Number 3. Sculpted arms and strong biceps. Pull-ups heavily involve the biceps, forearms, and upper arms, making them an effective exercise for sculpting and strengthening these areas. As you consistently perform daily pull-ups, you'll develop well-defined arms with noticeable muscle definition and increased strength. Number 4. Improved grip strength and forearm muscles. Grip strength is vital for various activities, including weightlifting, sports, and everyday tasks. Daily pull-ups challenge your grip as you support your body weight, leading to significant improvements in grip strength and forearm development. Number 5. Enhanced core stability and abdominal engagement. While primarily targeting the upper body, pull-ups also engage the core muscles, including the abs and obliques. This constant engagement during the exercise improves core stability and overall abdominal strength, contributing to a more toned midsection. Number 6. Increased metabolic rate and fat burning. Regular pull-ups elevate your heart rate and engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This intense compound exercise stimulates the metabolic system, leading to increased calorie burn during and after the workout. As a result, incorporating daily pull-ups into your routine can aid in weight loss and fat burning. Number 7. Improved posture and reduced back pain. The muscles targeted during pull-ups, such as the rhomboids, rear deltoids, and lower back muscles, play a significant role in maintaining good posture. By strengthening these muscles through daily pull-ups, you can correct rounded shoulders, alleviate back pain, and achieve a more upright and confident posture. Number 8. Functional strength and everyday performance. The movements performed during pull-ups mimic real-life activities that require upper body strength, such as climbing, lifting, and pulling objects. By consistently training with pull-ups, you enhance your functional strength, making everyday tasks easier and improving your performance in various physical activities. So there you have it. Now you know how 50 push-ups every day can hugely impact on your body. Also, if you want to know about what happens to your body when you stretch every morning, click here.